Katanat Sport and Youth Affair jangka Khubor hakashi tarik jemang kelasam scholarship cekinong Ialehkai kibayu khur takama hakijing Ialehkai bapher lengbaka Chief Minister Sport Scholarship Scheme arhajar arpusau hadu arhajar arpusan hakajing yalang kabalong State Convention Center Shillong hakani kalumpung lasam ek scholarship ceki hendriu spa kat sangut ki khna Ialehkai haki arpuh nyau tuli kijing Ialehkai babonjan. Kani ke scholarship kalakot syakasan Klur arpusau lak kendai pupra hajar san spa Tyngka. Menteri Rangba Khubor Konrad ke Sangma baru Menteri Ketenat Sport and Youth Affairs ba Shakler Warjri kila IT ki scholarship ceki Samla hakani kesengi. Hakani kelumpung ladan lang ubak John ke Kharsiyeng Working President MSOA ki officer ki kimi ki Kaba ki nok peniat sports bat ki riu khmat jong kesor Shillong.
A round of applause for these 22 medal winners who will receive the scholarships under this year's scheme. Up next, I call upon the representatives of the Meghalaya Basketball Association. Next, we will have the representatives of the Meghalaya Bodybuilders Association to kindly come forward, please. May I now call upon the Meghalaya Bodybuilding, the Meghalaya Boxing Association to kindly come forward and claim your prize. In front of me you have the Meghalaya Bodybuilding and Fitness Association. Next I call upon the Meghalaya Boxing Association. Up next we have the Meghalaya Chess Association. These will be receiving the scholarships from this association. May we now have the present the Meghalaya Cycling Association will be followed by the Meghalaya Football Association. While I call upon the President and the Secretary and the athletes to come forward, I also call upon Sri Jeffrey Warlampi, football coach of BSYE to kindly come forward to receive the certificate. Next, I call upon the congratulations to all the awardees from this association. Next, under this association, 33 medal winners will be receiving scholarships for a period of 1 year. A round of applause for all the athletes, please. Next we have the Meghalaya Athletes Association.
That it really matters with the youths of our state, especially our athletes. If you look at it under the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, a lot has been achieved since the MDA-1 government, and I'm fortunate enough to be a part of the MDA-2 government as the Minister for Sports and Youth Affairs. When I say I want to highlight a few government initiatives, the initiatives that the government has taken in the past few years, if you look at it, there's so many programs that the government has started. In particular, there's one program where I feel that when we started this program along with John, who's the working president for MSOA, where we started the STAR program, where we have tested more than 14,500 athletes across the state. And keeping in mind, when we started this program, we did not know whether it would be successful or not. But then again, we had to take some certain steps. And I do feel through this particular program where we have started, it is not that we will see the results tomorrow or day after. But we are looking at it from 5 years down the line, 10 years down the line, where it is the aim and objective of this particular program is that one day we will be able to produce Olympians from this beautiful state of ours. And I believe through these certain initiatives that we have started, it is just a starting point. There's more to come. But I do believe through these certain initiatives that the government has started, like I said, 5 years down the line or 10 years down the line, we will be able to achieve it. With that being said, the government's commitment towards ensuring that the youths of our state are provided with the best, the athletes of our state are provided with the best. When I talk about government commitment, today is the testament that you have seen where we have distributed the sports scholarship. I still remember a few months back, all the athletes from our state kept on calling me, kept on, asking when will we receive the scholarship. But then again, there's a process to everything. So it takes time. But then again, like I said, the government's commitment to ensuring that we provide the best. And I believe that today's program is the testament for that commitment. In the national games, it's not easy. It's not like, you just want to host the national games and it happens. There's a lot of things that needs to be done. And like I said, under the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, we have been able to do that. And then again, the preparing the process, the 2 years, 3 years. And during this period of time where the government is preparing, I would also like to urge every athlete of our state to not only wait for the government that what we are preparing, but then from your end as well, you should be prepared, be dedicated, practice hard. The government is there. We will be working hard to ensure that you are provided with the best, but we also want your commitment because we want to see as the host state, we want to see you win medals for our state. That is something that, we as a government, we dream of. But in order to achieve that, there should be some sense of commitment to it, and we should work hand in hand. So I can assure you that from the government side, we will do the best we can, but like I said, we need to work hand in hand in order to achieve all of this.